Hello everyone, I am Narmatha, Assistant Professor working in Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science in the Department of Cybersecurity. In today's lecture, we are going to see about server virtualization. So we already discussed what is virtualization and their types. In elaborately, we'll see about server virtualization. Server virtualization. So mainly we are using the server virtualization to modernize IT infrastructure. So mainly we are using this technology for cloud data centers. So in a cloud, you want to virtualize a particular server means you can do it by using a virtualization concept, and you want to operate data centers, or you want to work with larger amount of data means on that place will go for server virtualization. So in the global market, 14 billion server virtualization, that much amount of people or a thing is processing on server virtualization in 2024. What is server virtualization? So mainly server virtualization is focusing on consolidating, sharing and allocating the resources. So here the server virtualization, it runs on multiple virtual machines, but it only connected with one single physical machine. Here we have a hypervisor layer. So by using that layer, you can connect CPUs, memories, and storage spaces. So we can allocate any kind of resources for a virtual machine. And we can also share workloads of operating system. And you want to share any particular hardware means that is possible by using this server virtualization. Key technologies. How server virtualization works. So server virtualization will works based on the hypervisors. So here we have two kinds of hypervisors, type 1 and type 2. So type 1, it represents bare metal for direct hardware access. So you want to access directly with the hardwares with your physical system means we'll use a type 1 hypervisor layer. So if you want to connect by using hosted operating system means we'll go for a type 2. So if one system that is hosted with Windows operating system means with the help of that Windows we are performing any kind of task means that's called type 2 hypervisor. So here we are using the popular platforms like VMware, Microsoft Hyper-V, Nutanix AHV. So these are all the very familiar hypervisors and virtual machines. So by using all these kind of thing, we are creating a server virtualization. So in advanced level, we can use this server virtualization for live migrations and automated resource allocation. So live migration means you want to work any kind of data, live data means will go for live migration, and you want to do any automation operations on a particular task means will go for server virtualization. So automation means it performs a iterative kind of thing for a particular task. So for that we have to write a code, so that code checks all the kind of iteration specified within that block. So the core benefits of server virtualization is given in this slide. So the main benefits here is efficiency, cost saving, agility, and resilience. So efficiency, so we can use maximum number of resources. So if you want a different kind of resources means you can access it. It also reduces the physical server connection, power and cooling. So if you are connecting a physical server means the cost of physical server is very high when comparing with a virtual server. Agility, so we can provide provisioning and simplified management for a server virtualization. If you have a physical server means for maintaining that you have to send a lot of amount, you want to allocate a particular person for that. So if we have a virtualized server means we didn't bother about that. Resilience, so it provides a disaster recovery, and we can do business very continuous manner by using server virtualization. So the business impact on efficiency scalability is given in here. So fast scaling, so we can change a business needs then and there. So if any kind of update, new update is coming, means that is adopted very quickly by the use of server virtualization. So we can do automation task. So we can automate server creation and decommissioning for agility. So you want to do any kind of insertion, deletion, means that is also possible. It also supports different and modern applications. Security, isolation, and testing. So every virtual machines are act like a separate machine. So all the machines are isolated. We can easily process any kind of thing. If any failure occur, that only affects that virtual machine. Provides advanced security. It includes firewalls and encryption techniques. By using that, it protects our information, and it provides a safe testing. So you want to test a particular project with that virtual machine, means that is possible. Thank you.